Jai Hind students, today we will study the chapter number 12 electricity and circuits of standard 6 subject science. See, I hope you all are familiar with the word electricity. Why? Because we can say electricity is a part of our life only. We are using electricity in so many appliances. Suppose at night in your dark room, what do? Switch on the bulb, right? In same way, in summer, what do? You switch on the fan or AC. In the same way, if you have to start a washing machine, what we are doing? Switch on. And how it works? Which kind of energy helps to run all these things? Electrical energy, electricity helps, right, to run all these appliances. So what is electricity? It is a form of energy because it makes our task easier, it makes our work easier, so it is one kind of form of energy. And where do we use electricity at our homes? If you make a list, watch TV. In TV, electricity is used, electricity is used in computers, electricity is used to light bulb, tube light, to charge your phones. Electricity is used washing machine, refrigerator. So in all these appliances we are using electricity at our homes. But have you ever wondered from where do you get electricity at your homes? Who provides us electricity? It's power station. Who provides us electricity? Power station provides us electricity. There are different kinds of power station that we'll study in higher classes. The different kinds of power station are thermal power station, hydro power station, nuclear power station, right? But we'll study that in higher classes. So we can say that power station provides us electricity at our homes. Power station provides us electricity at our homes, right? But what do we do if power cut off? Or have you heard this message or from the school that due to power cut off we cannot start the live class because the electricity is cut off? There is breakdown in the electricity. The supply of the electricity is cut off from the power station. In the same way, if the breakdowns of the electricity or power cut off from the power station at your homes at night, what you are doing? See, nowadays we have phones, lights are there, so you will switch the torch. But in the previous means before few years there were no phones, and how do people see in the dark? What do they use? They use a device like torch. The same way we have torch the phone, but the torch which people were using in the olden times, nowadays also we are getting in the market. Different kinds of torch are there, right? But most of the people are using phone torch. So torch provides electricity in such cases? Which device provides electricity? Torch. Torch provides electricity. Torch provides electricity in such cases. See, we have studied that at our homes power station provides us electricity, but who provides electricity to the torch? The main component which provides electricity to the torch, the cell. And I hope you all have seen this kind of cells, because this kind of cells is used in many appliances. For example, where, so first of all we will say electrical cell. Where it is used, so if you have played with toys and toys, it is used and remote, right? Clock, radios, this kind of cells are used, and different kinds of cells are available in the market, small and big cells, it depends on the use, right? So cells, in the cell, chemical is stored, and the cell chemical is stored in the cell. See, it has two terminals. It has two terminals. Positive terminal and negative terminal. Now, I will show you both the terminals of the cell. See, take a cell at your home and observe it carefully. You can see the metal cap over here, right? So this metal cap is the positive terminal, and we can see a metal disc at the back. So this is the negative terminal. See, in each and every cell it is mentioned with the signs also. In positive terminal it is mentioned with the plus sign. We can see the plus sign, right? And in negative terminal it is mentioned with the negative sign. We can see this negative sign, right? And if you will observe a cell, take any cell from the remote or any useless cell and observe it. It has two terminals, positive terminal and negative terminal. Chemical is stored inside it, and when it is used up, we are replacing with a new cell in the torch. See, if the cell is used up, we are replacing with a new one. See, in some torches there are more than one cells are connected, mixed like this way, and it is known as a battery. If two or more cells are connected together, it is known as a battery. If more than one cell, and how is its connection? Positive, negative, and then another cell, negative to positive. Opposite terminals are joined together. Opposite terminals are joined together to make a battery, and if you want to connect more, it depends on how much electricity you need, right? And there are different kinds of batteries are also available in the market. For example, we have seen that in bikes and in cars, like, so who provides electricity to this kind of vehicles? Batteries. Batteries are there, and in that batteries more cells, and it is different in size. The batteries are different in size, right? You can see different kinds of batteries also, and all cells and batteries, two terminals are there, positive and negative. See, most of the batteries, all positive and negative sign are also mentioned over there, so which makes easier for us, right? And another component of the torch, and that is bulb. Another component of the torch is bulb. See, this is a small bulb, right? We have seen that in cell there are two terminals. Which are the two terminals? Positive and negative terminal. In the same way, bulb has also two terminals. Can you see one terminal on the base of the cell? Right, and another terminal over here. So we can see that it has also two terminals, and this is made up of metal, and it is made up of glass. So we can say bulb is made of the glass and its base is made up of metal, and inside it a thin wire is there. I'll show you the picture of the bulb. Inside the bulb thin wire is there, and that thin wire is known as filament. It is known as filament. It is made up of special kind of wire, and there are two more wires are there which supports the filament. See, one wire is connected to the one terminal of the bulb, and another wire is connected to the another terminal of the bulb. When electricity or electric current is passed through the wire, through the bulb, that filament glows or it gives us light, because that wire has high resistance. Resistance means it consumes. Resistance means it consumes the electric current, electricity, and it becomes hot and starts giving light. So it gives light, right? Now, sometimes what happens? Due to excess electricity, the thin wire melts or it breaks. It is known as fused. The bulb is fused when the filament breaks due to the excess of electricity. It is known as bulb is said to be fused. When the bulb is said to be fused, if the filament of the bulb is broken due to the excess of electricity, the bulb is seen to be fused. The filament is broken, right? Now, see, dear students, we have seen that electricity is a form of energy and it makes our task easier. Where electricity is used up, who provides us electricity? So what you can do, make a chart. Which appliances works on electricity, or which appliances use electricity? You can make a column and write the names. And then we have seen about torch. In that torch, cell provides electricity. So make another list of the appliances where electrical cell is used. For example, I have given toys, remote and cloth. So you can make a list where electrical cell is used. Observe the cell carefully. It has two terminals, positive terminal and negative terminal, and we have seen that a bulb which is used in the torch, it gives us light. It has also two terminal, positive terminal. Sorry, it has two terminals. It does not have positive terminal and negative terminal, but it has two terminals. So one wire of the terminal is connected to the one terminal of the bulb, and another wire is connected to the other terminal of the bulb, and it is connected to the cell. See, this we will see in the next class, circuits. It is known as circuits. As I told you that when the electrical components are joined together, it is known as circuits. The path is completed, right? So it is known as circuits. So where we are using circuits, at our homes, electrical circuits are there. If the path is completed, we can say circuit is completed, right? So we will see in the next class. So students, I hope you have understood about electricity and where electricity is used and who provides us electricity at our homes. And then we have seen the torch, who provides electricity to the torch. We have seen cell, what is cell, right? And how many terminals are there in the cell. Then we have seen the bulb, how many terminals are there in the bulb. So, thank you, have a nice day.